Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is our class notebook page on scientific notation. The first part says, why do scientists need scientific notation? So I'm actually going to try and change the color of my font just so it kind of shows up more compared to the background. Okay, so scientists, scientists use scientific notation to write really big numbers and really small numbers. Okay. So, what does scientific notation look like? Scientific notation always has a number times 10 to an exponent. This number, okay, has a number. We can choose any number. Let's say I choose the number 4.5. Okay. There are certain rules for this number. This number has to be equal to or bigger than 1 and less than 10. It can be equal to 1 or bigger than 1. It cannot be 10. It has to be less than 1. So you really have to have something in the ones digit, nothing in the tens digit, but you have to have a 1 to a 9 in the ones digit, okay? I can write this actually as an equation in terms of we have the number 1 and it can equal that or it's going to be bigger than. So here we have the number and that number cannot equal. It can go up to not be 10. So that's how we'd write this algebraically. And let me change the color on that just so it pops out a little more. I don't think orange is dark enough though. We'll stay with the purples. Okay. So now we have our exponent. Our exponent can be positive or negative. So let's say we have a -4, right? I'll just pick that number. Why not? So this can either be positive or negative. If it is positive, right, a positive exponent will create a large number. Negative exponent will create a small number. Change this again to the purple. Just so it shows up better. So these are just some notes about scientific notation. Over here, then, we have some numbers which you are going to have to decide if they're not scientific notation or if they are scientific notation. So let's look at 10 times 10 to the 7th. So if I bring this down here, right, is this first 10, right, is that a number bigger than 1 but less than 10? No, it equals 10. So this can't be scientific notation. Okay, I'm going to pick another one. Let's just pick this one. 7 and 9/10 times 10 to the 6th. Is 7 and 9/10 a number bigger than 1 but less than 10? Yes, it is. And we have 10 to the exponent, right? 10 to the 6th. So this is in scientific notation. Okay, let's choose this one. Is this one in scientific notation? 5 and 6/10. That's a number between 1 and 10. What about 2 to the 10th power? Do we have 10 raised to a power here? Do we have 10 raised to a power here? No, this is not scientific notation. So you're going to have to go through and figure out the rest of these, scientific notation or not scientific notation. I will tell you, you're going to have 5 in the not scientific notation column and 5 in the scientific notation column. Okay? Good luck. Have a good day.